Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Telegram phone number not registered. Let's begin. The issue of this Telegram app not registering you need to do is ensure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes an unstable connection can affect the app's ability to send the verification code. Now, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Try switching to a Wi-Fi connection or using mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Once you've confirmed that your internet connection isn't the problem, check if you're using the latest version of the Telegram app. In some cases, not using the latest version of the Telegram can affect its features. To fix this, visit the Google Play Store or the App Store. Search for Telegram and check if there's an update available. If you see an update button, go ahead and install it. If you're still experiencing issues, try clearing the app cache. Locate the Telegram app on your device, press and hold it, and select App Info. From there, click on Force Stop and confirm by clicking OK. Now, clear the app data and cache. Once you've done that, go back and in permission, make sure you have allowed it to phone and call logs, and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.